All right, hey guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. All right, a quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert to money, alright? So if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you're on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these Forex markets live, and of course, if you're looking to learn the profitable Forex strategy, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're going to do. I hope you guys are doing well. Alright, sorry about that. I was just asking Cash to make an announcement on OpenShare that we're live for New York. I hope you guys are doing well. We're on shoot, you guys. The past 2 days have been ridiculously busy for us. Believe it or not, after the session, I actually had to run back on shoot. So it's been pretty hectic, but we wanted to stick with the schedule for you guys. Okay, I'm going to get to sharing my screen real quick. Okay. You guys should be able to see my screen. Guys, also remember it's Friday. Alright, y'all know what Fridays are known for. Fridays are known for taking your profits away. Okay, so y'all don't want to be going too crazy. Just make sure that y'all have that y'all are using the right risk management. Don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time, and any setups that you take, any risks that you take upon yourself. Okay, you guys, we're not financial advisors. We're simply just analyzing these markets live for you guys. We've been doing it for 7 years. We do it every single day, and we're just doing it live. Okay? But these are what the buys look like on the dirty up here. Some serious supply kicking in right there. I'm going to go ahead and mark that out for you guys. Okay. And we're naturally coming in a little bit of demand here as well. Okay, that's our demand. Nice. So we have our supply marked out, our demand marked out, and similar with Nasty. All right, the push is going to come up there, but we're really close to market open. Only and only get in if you guys feel comfortable on the straight, but that's an impulse. Gold, as we can see, we're coming into a nice little solid pattern. Maybe we start to respect this, and then we break and we push lower. That could be a move for next week. It could be a move for today. Who knows? We're gonna find out. And of course, if we break past this area, we're going for that wick fill as well. Nasdaq's pushing. Yeah, Nasdaq is just giving us an impulse. Okay, I've also marked out the higher time frame resistance, as you guys can see. So please be careful. What's up, you guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Lots of messages. What's up, guys? Okay, let's see what the markets want to do. All right. The dirty is giving us a little bit of an impulse as well. We've got 10 more minutes to market open. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. What's up, Chris? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Friday off a choppy ass week. Tell me about it, man. Super choppy, super slow this week's been, but it's all good, alright? Choppy days and choppy markets teach us the biggest lessons. Trust me when I say that. So if you guys have actually closed this week in a profit, give yourself a pat on the back and tell yourself how grateful you are for the life that you have, okay? Because navigating through these markets is it's an achievement, okay? So congratulations to the ones that have successfully closed this week in the blues. Okay. Gold, these buys could be good as well, but again, Friday, let's be safer. Alright, let's just maybe look at this. I just want to take a quick look at DAX. I've been monitoring this from yesterday, you guys. I caught all of these sells, and I want to see how they're gonna close the week. I'm pretty much out of this trade. I just have a couple of runners that are running from all the way up there, but yeah, let's watch. Let's watch and see what they want to do. Okay. You guys remember yesterday what I told you all, right? The 16K level. The second we got done with the stream, boom, 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 boom. We had these fat candles pushing down. Okay. Nasty's attempting to make a nice little break. Let's see. Let's see. It's too close to market open for me, you guys. I'm not going to be getting in on anything. I'm just going to wait and watch and see for market open the kind of move that we get. Please wick, please fill the wick gold. Yeah. It's too far, man, but you never know. We may just be super erratic and we may get that move, okay? Are you guys in any sort of trades right now? I hope you saw Gold Camper. Funny how this has been probably my best week. Good stuff, man. Congratulations. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? I guess we have fewer people on today. We usually have fewer people on on Fridays. Nothing. Awesome. Waiting for market open. Gold run against DXY. So how can I predict it easy? There's no. It doesn't always run against the DXY, buddy. Don't fall into those retail traps. That's not always the case. Okay, it does most of the time, but you don't want to just go by that. Waiting for market open. Okay. News? I'm not sure if we have any news. Do we have any news? I don't think we have any news today, you guys. Okay, I want to see what German does, if German's gonna have a pop or a drop for MO. Market open, so let's see, you guys. Let's see. I haven't been able to take too many trades, you guys, from yesterday, just because of the fact we've been with work, so it's been a little hard. I've legit just been monitoring DAX because I've been in on that trade, and if that trade, I'm in a risk-free position, right? But if this trade plays out, yeah, I'm gonna end the week really, really, really strong. Let's just leave it at that.
Those are just your feelers running, right?
Runners. Yeah. Almost when I open trade and play with me, both my feelings DXY gold. Yeah, man. That's these markets, okay. Nasdaq gapped up. A little bit. A little bit. A little bit. Now they're retesting the demand. Now it's up to you guys, alright? You'll need to ask yourselves, are you going to be getting in on this trade? Which may give you a little pop because it's pre-market open. And we have market open in like the next 4.5 minutes. So could we get a pop? Yes. Should you get in? If you're fast enough. If you missed the entry that just happened over here on the retest, don't even look to get in, guys. I mean it. Alright? This could go boop, 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 and then for market open we could drop. So just wait. It's up to you guys. I know that a lot of people have closed this week nice and solid. And if you have, then just don't be risking much. It's really not worth it, okay? Okay, Nasdaq's pushing. Look at that. Anyone in on Nasdaq?
Same, I'm saying same. I'm gonna write it on the chat. He's getting it soon.
Gold's coming back down exactly from our level of resistance. I like that. Let's just fix it up. Look at that. Okay, it looks like that's a nice little shoulder that's being formed. But the demand down here is serious, okay, you guys? Keep that in mind, please. We've got about 3 minutes to market open. All right, look at what the dirty did. The dirty gave us a little bit of a retest rejection. Too close to market open. I agree, guys. Too close to market open. Give it 2 minutes, 3 minutes, all right, and we'll see how the next candle wants to open up, and we could get in on something. Okay, as y'all are seeing, couple of rejections coming in. Let's look to break that HDF in case we want to go higher, okay? And gold is starting to sell off. German's getting a little bit of a wick. Gold's choppy. Yes, it is. Look at that. Dirty starting to push down. This is what I meant, okay, you guys. Maybe Nasdaq's gonna follow suit. We're gonna have to find out. We've got about 30 seconds to market open. Let's have a good one, you guys. Let's make sure that we end the week strong, all right? We've had a great week. We've had a week full of learning, a week full of profits. Let's not lose all of that today, all right? Just letting you guys know, please use the right risk management. What do y'all want me to have open? What do you want me to have open? Are we looking at the indices? Are we looking at gold? I think the indices look better for right now. Okay. Let's see if we want to get a little bit of a pop to the upside, you guys. This is market open. Let's get it. Okay. Pop came. All right. The pop came. And it's real. But listen, in case you guys are in on this, I'm not in on it, but if y'all are, realize your goddamn profits. Okay, I mean it. Gold didn't do anything. Could be some liquidity. It could be the move. But if anyone's in on the buys, realize your freaking profits, you guys. I mean it. Okay. Look at dirty. Dirty being dirty. Gold pushed right back into our zone. Let's look at that for gold now, okay? So maybe we move this just slightly higher there. Let's see maybe if that sort of a move wants to kick in. Small W on Nasdaq, in and out. W on Nas. Okay. Yeah, two people made some money on Nasdaq, which is nice. Oh. Okay, liquidity grab, but went up pretty much, almost hit TP, exactly right there. Caught that move. Maybe the sells could be wanting to kick in now. All right.
Nasdaq's pushing up still.
Okay, Nasty is still pushing up. Dirty is showing us a little bit of bearish momentum. Gold, let's have a nice little alert for gold sitting right there. Do I have my alert set on German? Yes, I do. Okay, let's see. Let's see, you guys. Dirty starting to tank and really tank. Let's see if they want to break that region. Come and test out our demand. If they want to test out our demand, then the sells are going to kick in from here, okay? Is anyone still in on Nasdaq, by the way? Is anyone still trading this? That's a pretty chunky move, you guys. That's a nice 30 pip candle. 33 pip candle. I'm in on Nasdaq. Good, good, good. Chunky move for a Friday, okay? 30 pips on a market open candle, and this still has potential to push higher. It's not bad at all. All right? Can't complain. If you're in on this, take your goddamn profits. Stopped out on Nasdaq. Okay, I'm guessing you might have bought somewhere up top over here. I didn't get in on anything, by the way. I didn't get in on anything. Yeah. This is just, even though the buys, they were set up pretty well, in all honesty. It was nicely set up. One attempt, two attempt, the third attempt was the charm. So we definitely got that move. For the sells, okay, listen. Aggressive sells down here, alright? But those are aggressive sells. If you think you can make it for these 30 pips, go for it, okay? If not, you don't need to be risking your lots over here. Also, this is only the first 5-minute candle of the market open. So yeah, it's only the first 30 minutes of market open. Gold's attempting. Okay. Excuse me, guys. Okay. They picked up buyers from there, as we thought they'd do. Ah, come on, Dax. Look at that wick on gold.
Oh my god, nasty capital.
Nasdaq's pushing strong, man. Nasdaq's freaking bullish, alright? Now let's see if the reversals want to start to kick in. Pretty much an indecision candle on the dirty. Okay. This is going to be a pretty strong level of demand, okay, guys. I want you all to keep that in mind. So let's see if we actually really want to get a break from here or not.
Gold. I'm trying.
Okay, watch. Nasdaq causing some indecision right now. What plans do you guys have for the weekend? What's coming up? What are y'all looking forward to? What are y'all doing for the weekend, you guys? What's up? I'm off now. Everyone have a good weekend. I'll be back poolside Monday. Cheers, man. Take it easy. Hey, space. Sounds like fun, bro. Sounds like fun. One-on-one session. Awesome, Chris. Awesome. What about the rest of y'all? What plans do y'all have? He's absolutely right. Gold's going for it. Attempt. Let's see. It could still bounce back into the demand, the short-term demand that's short-term supply that's being built over here. But let's see, okay? It's going to be super hot in London. Awesome. I thought you guys loved the summer there, though. You love the heat, don't you? It's hot here in the UK. Guys, don't talk about the heat, okay? So the places I belong to are Dubai and Bombay, all right? Extreme heat, in both of these cities. So yeah, I'm pretty sure the heat in London's gonna be just fine. Yeah, bro, the Middle East is a league of its own. Tell me about it, man. Bombay is no less, man. Very, very similar. It's just it's a little more humid here than it is in Dubai, but yeah, it's super hot, super hot. Okay, look at that. Nasty is still pushing. Nasty was a nice. You could okay. Where could you have your entries here? You could have had your entries here. Oh, there. You've had two chances to have your entry. All right. If you gotten on the rejection, you should be running by about 17 pips, and if you gotten at the break, you should be running by about 9-10 pips. Okay, somewhere around there. Make sure you guys realize your profits. This most probably gonna happen around the 30-minute. Did you get a new mic? Sounds a bit different today. It depends. Is it better or worse? All right, gold's pushing down. Gold's pushing down. Maybe Nasdaq pushing to the psychological 14,600. Yep. Seems like it. Seems like it. They're trying. Come on, Dax. Why you so dead? Okay, that's the impulse on gold, you guys. Let's see if in the next 12 seconds we want to close. And maybe the retest will be a good entry. All right? Watch for it. And if we have a nice little retest, you could get a drop down. Is Dirty pushing? Wow. I didn't get in on anything, you guys. Nothing. Literally. I'm in on nothing right now. Okay, so to be honest with y'all, I hit my weekly targets 2 days back. So I was pretty much done for the weekday before, and looking at the choppiness in these markets, I took an opportunity to experiment with the risk management that I've been working on, that you guys have heard about in bits and pieces, which is this trade that you guys see. So I've just been invested on one trade for the past 2 days because I was anyway pretty much, not pretty much, I was done with my weekly target 2 days back itself. So I thought that might as well try something new, might as well. Oh, wow, look at gold. Who's banking on gold, you guys? Look at that goddamn drop on gold. And this is respecting the strategy, right? Straight up, no retest, no problem. We're going to break our previous structure and just freaking waterfall, all right? Look at this. That's a solid freaking 15, 13, 14 pip drop. And you can't complain, all right? And we're still bleeding to the downside. Who is catching gold? I want to see W's on the goddamn chat now. Who's catching gold? The freaking tanking, you guys. Tanking. And Nasty is pushing. Close my position early for gold. That's fine, man. That's fine. As long as you're respecting the 10 pip rule, the 20 pip rule, whatever it is, it's all good. Because this can completely wick back on you, and wick back on you fast. Nasty is okay. Let's see. Buy still trying to kick in. Don't be buying the top though, okay? Don't be buying the top. If I would be looking for anything now, in a safe way, it'd be for the retracement to the downside. If I'd be looking for anything, I wouldn't be looking to buy this further, okay? But anyway, it depends on your style of trading as well. If you're okay scalping for 5, 7, 10 pips, then of course you could go for the buys. But if you want safer entries, and I have no intention of scalping aggressively today on a Friday. You guys shouldn't either. But for the ones that can and want to, knock yourselves out, okay? Because this is still flying, and it's flying high. Nasty seems like it could push, but it shouldn't. Agreed. Anyone in on the Nasdaq sells? Nasdaq buys, my bad. Anyone in on nasty buys? Or dirty buys? Anything? They're all pushing. Is gold still dropping? Yes, sir. Gold is still pushing as well, man. Everything's freaking tanking. DAX, are you tanking? No, you're not. DAX isn't. Alright? But gold and the indices, they're giving you guys the moves. They're giving you all money. Look at these goddamn clean setups, man. Who's giving you all these sort of setups for free? Let's be honest. Who is giving you guys these setups for free? On point, literally. Break of structure, retest, rejection, and break of previous structure all across the board. This is intense. I love it. I love it, alright? I'm glad when we have clean days like this and you guys are able to bank on it. It's why we're here. Literally, it's why we're here. Okay, if someone bought the top, you're in trouble. And if some of my smart traders here, my one-on-ones, this is for you guys. If you all sold that top, you guys should be in some profits right now, okay? But that drop is good enough. This is what I meant. 5 pips, 10 pips. If you're willing to do it, do it. You know, but if you guys don't understand risk management, it's gonna completely wreck your account if you're gonna try and do this. Okay, so look at the dirty. They're starting to wick down now. Maybe the sellers are starting to get slightly exhausted. Nasdaq also a little bit of a wick. It doesn't mean they can't fill that wick and still go bullish. It doesn't mean that at all. And there you go. That was quick, all right? Is that the new candle? That is the new 15-minute candle. Okay, it's pushing. I hit my pips and stopped. Too tempting. That's good, brother. You want to be able to just do that, okay? You want to make sure you stop when you're done. You know, that's the biggest issue that retail traders have. They don't know when to stop, and then that leads to you going through the emotions. That leads to you revenge trading, over leveraging, and so on and so forth. It's a downfall from there, okay? But it all starts from over trading. So just make your pips, take your profits out, or take the loss like you should and move on. It's either or, okay? And if you have the right risk management, you're not going to be dropping like crazy, right? I mean 0.5%, 1%, max 2%, risk 2%. It's all good. But as long as you know That's where my stop is, and as long as you know that this is where I'm pretty much going to just exit the trade, irrespective of whatever, then knock yourself out. But you need to make sure that you have that in you to get stopped out at a certain area in case the trade goes against you, because that's the start of overtrading, you guys, literally. Okay, what are we in, guys? What are we trading right now? My sleepy millionaires. What are we trading?
Nasdaq still pushing up.
Still waiting for those juicy Nasdaq sells. Let's find a nice area for Nasdaq, okay?
They're breaking like there's no tomorrow. They're moving up.
Still pushing higher. Guys, also, this could be the case for the next 15 minutes, okay? Just letting you all know. So for now, just for now, let's have it there. And if they push higher, we'll take ourselves higher as well, okay? Okay. US 30 is showing potential to go bullish too. And DAX is just dying out. Okay.
Nasdaq is pushing.
Nasdaq still pushing.
It's moved 10 pips more from there.
Oh man, that's... Oh, excuse me guys, that's some buys coming in on Nasdaq. Seriously, some buys.
Daily breaking cycle.
If you guys had a runner that's still running, you should be up. Okay? Make sure your stop loss is a break even, and or have a trailing stop loss. Have the bottom of the candle as your stop loss, and just keep riding the momentum till the buys want to continue. Okay? And then when the sells come in, we'll look to find an area to catch the sells. Okay, 12 minutes to go. Had a buy feeler from 14555. Gold went up for a retest, coming back down, attempting to break this. Let's see if we're going to get that wick fill, or if this is where they're going to start picking up some demand and push to the upside. Strong levels coming in for sure. Guys, the candles are literally just popping and they're going bullish. I've been seeing this with Nasdaq. But yeah. Okay, look at that pop coming in on the dirty as well. Look at that. US 30 trying to break that higher wick. And they may just push you guys. In case they break that, then they're looking to go higher, okay? And same story with Nasdaq. Okay, look at that. Dirty pushing, dirty pushing. Let's take a look at gold. Oh, wow. All right, look at those buys kicking in. That's another 12 pip move. 12, 15 pip pop again. High highs on Nasdaq. Guys, please don't be buying this. Just don't do it, okay? It could go your way, but you need to realize that at some point it's going to reverse, and it could be now, it could be in 2 minutes, it could be in an hour. It could be in the next couple of hours. Just don't risk it. Not worth it. What is going on? I have no idea, buddy. Nasdaq's not done. Nasdaq's not done. They're still freaking buying. They're still pushing bullish AF. Yeah, they're just doing their thing, man. Okay. Gold cells still look good, okay? At least on the 5. On the 15 too. On the RV as well. Gold cells look tight, but it is Friday. They may just reverse it back if we have enough demand down here. Nas still has about 15 more pips to the higher Wednesday, then we probably see a dump there, most likely. Could just test out the psychological 50 as well. Let's see, but this to me says a drop's incoming. Literally, that's what it tells me, okay? We're gonna have to see. And if the drop comes the way we think it's gonna come, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5 candles will probably be eaten up by 1 or 2 red candles, okay? So let's just be careful. 700? That's too big, buddy. But again, it's possible. Anything's possible in these markets.
He's breaking 70.
Daily's breaking 70. Has it broken or it's attempting?
It's breaking.
Attempting, it'll probably get rejected.
It broke.
Broke 70?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why this.
Let's see if it holds. It's almost at 90 on the... Christ. Look at those buys, man. Am I feeling bad? A little bit. A little bit. I won't lie to you guys. But let's see if they hold at 50. Okay. Last 5-minute candle before the before the early momentum kicks in, you guys. Let's see. All right. Seems like everything is going bullish. We need to hear Cash screaming when she banks on a nasty wins.
I already did.
She already did. That's what she says, Neha. She caught the buys. Only a retest. It's still not a bearish candle. Gold. Oh, look at that. Maybe this or that. Let's look at that. Safer entries, okay? If not, feel free to use this as the same entry point. Okay? Waiting for sells now? Yeah. I'm waiting for Dax to freaking shot you guys. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm not waiting for nothing else. I just don't want to hold any sort of positions over the weekend. Because I know the kind of gap ups and gap downs that Dax can give us, so I just don't want to hold anything for the weekend, right? But let's see. Let's see. Okay, gold's attempting to break our now turn supply. There's just no sellers kicking in as yet, you guys. 2 more minutes. We may not even get the move immediately on the dot. It may come in 5 minutes later. So let's see. Let's get maybe. Okay, let's have this. So look at the buyers, guys. There are too many buyers over here. This could just still continue to go bullish. Maybe Dawood's right. Maybe it is gonna go to 700. We're gonna have to find out. Okay. I intentionally didn't give you guys the buys here, okay? Because we could have had that retest rejection, but this just seems safer. There's a lot of supply that's coming in there. Okay, Nasty making a little bit of a bearish candle. So is US 30. If we don't break that, then you could look at something like that. Alright, new candle. Opened up bullish. A couple of buyers stepping in. Let's see if they have the momentum to push it higher, or if we're going to start a tank, okay? US 30 still getting a couple of buyers in. DAX just freaking being shitty. Christ. Okay, impulse, retest, rejection, break of this. This could be a nice, maybe a quick impulsive buy in case they want to break out of there. It still seems bullish to me, you guys. It still looks bullish. I don't know, man. If you guys want to get in, it's up to you guys. It's something that I wouldn't do personally, but it's completely up to y'all. Okay, if the markets are showing you guys momentum, and then it's showing you momentum. The move's probably gonna come in the next 5-10 minutes, you guys. So I'm gonna stay on for a bit and I'm gonna head out because I do have to go back on shoot today.
Pushing further.
I want sells, but it looks bullish. I agree. Yeah, it does look bullish.
Seems like it.
Look at that. Nasty creating a high. Dirty pushes that, going higher. Nasty pushes that, going higher. Gold's having a retest. Dax is pushing higher.
It's really fast. Oh, Nasdaq has something wrong with it.
US 30 still strong, you guys. US 30 still strong. Look at that. Momentum kicking in. That was a 10 pip break. 8 pip break from the wick. It seems like today all you had to do was just hit buy, right? It seems like that's all you had to do today. Just hit buy. And the markets would give you your move. No TA, no nothing of that sort. Just buy. Finally, a sign, a small, tiny little sign from the sellers. Let's see. Let's see though, okay? It could mean nothing right now. Especially looking at these markets right now, it could mean nothing. They could just go down, test our entry point, and start shooting back up again. Okay, some buyers stepping back in. Oh god, guys, this is freaking pathetic, man. Gold also not doing too much. Okay, that's some selling pressure. Let's not get faked out though, okay? What a boring session, you guys. What a boring session. Even with volume, it's a boring session. Who would have thought that, huh? Dax hasn't been good to you this week. Well, no, it actually has. I'm on a good trade as of right now. Literally from up there. But I'm just waiting to, get maybe a potential freaking drop. You know what I'm saying? So I've already realized profits and I have some more positions that are sitting up over here at a break-even stop loss. So if this wants to go up and stop me out at BE, it is what it is because I already made what I had to from this. But if it actually respects the analysis and starts to drop down there, that's going to be lovely. Nasdaq's pushing. Christ. Oh my good lord. Nasdaq's pushing. No. This is pathetic, you guys. This is horrible. Literally, what's bringing in volume, babe?
EUR and CAD news was worse, so US.
No. Was it a red folder?
Yeah, there were red folders for EUR and CAD opening.
Good lord, you guys. This is it's kind of ugly, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, space. Literally, literally. It'll come, but when it comes, it'll be big. Okay, when it comes, it'll be big. My only concern is I don't want this to be dying out because technically we have about 8 hours, 7 hours before the markets shut down for the week. Um, so yeah, let's see if we want to get some momentum in today. Right, but there are gonna be days like this, man, where you know that the markets are not doing the right thing, but they're just gonna entice you to come in, come in, come in, come in. you know, um, but this is your test as a trader. Are you gonna stick with TA? Are you gonna stick with price action, or are you gonna look at the candles and just go crazy like the rest of the world, if I may? Right. So this is the real test. Yes. Could you make some quick bucks on this? You could. Would you be satisfied with the quick bucks you make on this? At least I know I wouldn't, because I like to have a reason as to why I make money in these markets. Okay. There you go. A couple of sellers, maybe. Again, just maybe. What are we building down here? We're building some demand. Okay. Now this is starting to look good to me. We've made a nice clear level of supply right here. Okay, so we've pretty much trapped it within
Touch 650.
our zones right here. Alright, that's a nice little trap. And let's see if we want to trap and gap up or down. Okay, so let's see.
Bearish divergence on BD.
The demand zone there was a good zone even in the past. You got 1 minute. As long as it breaks down here, bro. As long as it breaks down here. Fuck my life. I can swear today because I'm not on YouTube. Um, but yeah, this is fucking horrible. Yeah, bro. I don't want to be getting no.
Dropping.
I don't want to be getting no freaking strikes, man. We barely even started. Come on, Nasty. Close in our box, Nasty. Come on, guys, type it out. Type Nasty, and maybe it drops, okay? Let's see what the army of millionaires can do. Even though there are just 27 of us here today, let's see if we're good enough, okay? Cash is like, it looks like we're doing voodoo magic. There you go, there you go. Dump. You guys are typing it and it's happening. They're trying, okay? They're trying. Come on, 22 seconds to go. They're literally just on the brink, you guys. Nope, not happening. Christ. This is pathetic, man. Come on, 5 seconds, 6 seconds. They're not giving it to us, guys. They're not giving it to us. Are they?
No.
Are they?
No.
Do y'all see that? Look at that. How unreal is that? Right there. Legit, right there. And we didn't get the drop. Okay? But now, maybe we could consider this the impulse for the next 5 minutes. And let's see. Nasty's being pathetic.
Yeah, it's dropping out.
Okay, finally. Again, if you're in on the impulse, please be careful. This is gonna happen, but take confirmation and get it, okay? So wait for a retest and a rejection, you guys. Just don't. Maybe y'all can get in on the retest and not the breaker structure, right? So maybe y'all can get in at this point, right? But wait for price to do that, okay? Because this could just come down, big back up. There's no confirmation as yet that this structure has been broken. Gold's giving us a little bit of an impulse attempt as well. DAX is coming right back down to our frickin' trend line.
Nasty drop.
Nasty's dropping.
No, trying, attempting.
Dirty? Is anyone trading dirty? Do you guys need dirty levels, or are we not looking at any?
Dirty could drop. Look at that rejection.
In case you guys want a dirty sell. Sitting right there. Oops. Right there. man.
Buys or not again?
Sorry, babe.
You going in for buys?
We better not. We better not start freaking longing this market again. Watch this drop. I wish, buddy. I wish. I swear, if the drops come in, even I'm gonna get in on the sells. You know, but it's just they're just not freaking giving it to us right now. Um. Okay. There you go. Picking it back up. What are you even doing on this session, you guys? This is just.
Because yours is
It's pathetic. It's pathetic. When trust me, I'm gonna. When we call it a session, when I'm not live, everything's gonna start to tank. I just know it. I'm telling you guys. I just know it. It happens all the time. When we're on the session, it pretends like it's not gonna do anything. The second we log out, the second we're offline, boom, it all starts to sell, 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 sell. I'm legit writing it and I'm giving it down to you. It's gonna happen. It's just a matter of when. Okay, so I'm starting to believe that the volume's beginning to die out for DAX.
it's trading that's
Yep, the markets are shutting down. It's just getting more and more and more Vicky, and the wicks are not good. Okay, it's just a pure range, and there's nothing really that's happening. No, no real moves kicking in. Look at gold, giving us a little bit of an impulse. Okay, gold buys are kicking in. Again, it's only an impulse. Let's see the next 35 seconds what these markets want to do.
going up.
Nasdaq still pushing?
Yeah.
Nasdaq still pushing. I think we've created a higher high on Nasdaq.
No.
Trying to create a higher high.
Yeah.
Watch out for gold, okay, you guys? 20 seconds to go. The retest could be a nice little entry, alright? Try to get the lowest point in case you guys are getting in on this, alright? Try to get that. Guys, I'm gonna call it a session in like 5 minutes, okay?
I'm saying that for 30 minutes.
I have to also cancel my one-on-one. Vanessa, are you on this call, buddy?
It's pushing up. Nasty pushing up.
Nasty's pushing higher.
Yeah.
Higher high on Nasdaq. Okay, it's starting to look to me like a little bit of maybe a potential inverse head and shoulders. And I think Dawood, you're getting what you said is gonna happen. Okay, that's what I feel is happening. All right, they're listening to Dawood and they're giving Dawood the 700. Okay. Pathetic, you guys. Pathetic. Retest on gold. How many pips are we looking to make? That could be a nice little entry, okay, for you guys. How many pips are we looking to make? 15, 10, whatever it is, alright? Just make your pips and get out. Try to catch that lowest point that it'll come to. Okay, so if you guys would have entered here, you should now be running by about 5-6 pips if you get your spreads out of the picture. 5-6 pips right there. Let's see. Okay, so if this is your entry and you get that zone fill, that's a 20 pip move. Get rid of your spreads. That's about 17, 18 pips, whatever it is. Look for 10, 12 pips and take your money and get out. Okay? Yeah.
There's bearish bearish divergence on the Nasdaq.
Okay. Has DAX dropped? Yes, it has a little bit. My good lord. This has really tested my patience. I'm not even kidding. Question, it's not just of today, bro. It's been the question that I've been asking Cash since the past 36 hours. Literally since the past 36 hours. Has DAX dropped? Has DAX dropped? And we've been on shoot, right? So literally I've just been asking that to her non-stop. Potential Nasdaq drop. Definitely some. You know what? Let's do this. Okay? I'm gonna close the stream with that. All we had to do was switch over to the RD time frame. Okay? Now you've got a nice clean level of resistance sitting up right there, the level we just tested out. I don't see any other resistance kicking in on the RD. It should now really start to push down.
Daily has no level to move further. What are you talking about hours?
Bro, I've been watching that from yesterday since you kept mentioning it. Cash might find me on London next week. That's awesome, bro. Hop on London. She's got some crazy sessions that she hosts for you guys. Yeah. Okay. Who caught gold? Clean move. If you guys did exactly what I told y'all to do on this trade, y'all should be up by 15 or 18 pips right now. Did anyone end up doing what I told them to do on this trade? Neha W on gold? Lovely. Anyone else? Cleanest move of the day. Respected TA gave us 10 pips and it did its thing. How many of you guys entered where I told y'all to enter? Which was at the retest. How many of y'all entered at the retest? None of y'all entered in on the retest, okay? If I were trading this, that would have been my entry, okay? Oh my Christ. No, you've got to be shitting me. You've got to be shitting me, Nasdaq. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. Don't. Drop down. Drop down, Nasdaq. Calm down, Nasdaq. Where are all these buyers coming from on a Friday, babe?
Manipulated market.
No, they're clearly buyers. I mean, we've got, like, on the early, we've got, like, 4 freaking white soldiers.
This is
There really isn't. There really
US
isn't.
negatives, the US is picking up.
There really isn't, alright? We basically got freaking... Okay, so what do we do here? We had a nice bullish move. We first had... Look at this. It's actually... It's very, very clean, alright? I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Look at this. We first had a nice inverse head and shoulders over here. Broke out of here. We then went into our bullish flag, accumulated the markets right in that region, built a pennant within our flag, and broke out of the pennant, and boom, pushed, retested, broke supply, and continued to push higher. Like, it's extremely clean, all of the buys, but it's just, there's no reason for it, you know. And when there's no reason for something, it begins to feel like a gamble, right? And that's the one thing that we don't want to do in these markets.
Nasty pushing up.
Yeah, I know. Nasdaq's attempting to break that high. Don't do it, Nasdaq. Don't do it. Don't freaking do it, man. They did it. They did it, you guys. They pushed up. And they're still climbing. Look at gold. Come on, look at gold. Look at gold. Look at gold. I'm gonna need whatever you're having later, Krem. Let's get the JD rolling, man. I'm so done. I'm so done, you guys. It's been one hell of a week. Yeah, it's been one hell of a week, and this has been. Today is. Today is good. I'm not gonna lie, but I personally don't like days when I don't have a reason for things, and I think you all know that about me. I'm extremely calculated when it comes to these markets, and yes, it is space, and PPI, and FOMC. That explains the chop for this week, by the way. And that's why. And we didn't really have any news folders this week. Yeah, next week's gonna be pretty crazy. It's gonna be we're gonna have some volatile markets. We're gonna have some serious movement in these markets. Babe, can you message? Can you just one sec, guys? I played with point 0.5 for this. Sells on Nasdaq. I'm looking at 14630. Yep, exactly that region. This is most likely gonna happen in the next 40 minutes. Say what, babe?
Then don't be entering in on sales before that level.
Yep, yeah. Cash is saying don't enter in on sells before we break down over here because you all know the fake outs that could possibly be happening. Okay. Okay, maybe the beginning of a Head and Shoulders. Maybe the beginning. You never know. Could be doing something of that sort. But the buyers just seem really strong. Guys, when this tanks, look at that. Finally, some divergence kicking in on the RSI as well. This should be an indication that the buyers are starting to get exhausted. Do we have any divergence over here? Nothing over here. On the 4?
Yes.
Okay, overbought over here. On the 4.
This is 2.
Not bad.
Yes.
Okay, beginning to have some divergence.
No, there is divergence.
Come on, sellers. Come on, sellers. Come on, sellers. Hey, listen, congratulations to the guys that made it to the end of the stream, okay? I don't know how I did, but congratulations to you guys. Y'all truly are the army of millionaires. I'm going to give you guys that. Because if y'all are going to sit through these sessions and still take value out of it, that's it shows us how invested you guys are into these markets. Okay, so I can joke all I want about it, but for real, I legit used to sit on the markets this way. With the groups that I used to be part of years back and all of that good stuff. Even on shitty markets, I would just sit and stare like a hawk and lose money, right? But that was my journey. But no kidding, you guys that are actually still here, it's lovely. It really is. TA out of the completely, man. Been staring at Nasdaq hard? Yeah, I know. Tell me about it. I think everyone here right now is just waiting for those sells to kick in. You know what I do at a time like this? I just don't trade. Literally. The best thing you can do is maybe put on an alert for this region right there and wait for okay, right when I said it.
I think it was
I'm sorry?
Head and Shoulders.
Yeah, it's making a Head and Shoulders, right? But that's what I'm saying. You know, at a time like this, don't trade, have an alert, and just get notified whenever it happens. Guys, can we please take a second to admire how beautiful this buy was? You guys, a moment of silence for these beautiful buys that kicked in on gold. Okay, that was a good moment. It was a lovely buy, though. All right, lovely buy, though. I absolutely love it. Respected structure. This is the sort of move that you want to be in on, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4 nice candles. We could get some rejection over here, but if we close above the 4H, y'all know what's coming. The wick fill's coming. Okay, but to me, I would any day get in on a move like this, and it looks so good to the eye, right? That there was a reason I told you guys start entering in on the rejection and not the breaker structure, because some trades, some setups just look good, and when they look good, you feel more confident, right? And this was beautiful. I would trade this all day rather than hit buy on this, or even, for a matter of fact, hit sell on this too. Okay, they're starting to drop down. This setup deserves a Twitter post. Made a lot on this. Lovely, brother. Congratulations. I can't believe I have to freaking head back to shoot, man. This is pathetic. And I'm probably gonna keep staring at this chart till the market shut down today. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Oh, nasty, guys. I'm literally gonna wait for the next minute, and I'm gonna call it a session. There's no point sitting on these markets.
I've been saying it for an hour.
Yeah. Oh, you guys, I'm so exhausted. I'm not even kidding. I'm exhausted. I, um, I'm just, I'm exhausted with these markets today. So slow, so slow.
Finishing the call time.
Habib,
It's 8 and finishing the call. There's nothing that's happening.
how much time do we have to head out?
Soon.
Soon?
I'm just on the call.
Okay. Alright, cool. Guys, I have to head out. I have to run because I have to get back on shoot. And yeah, there's really no point of us sitting on these markets. It's just getting choppier and choppier. And just please be careful, you guys. Please be careful. We can't be. We're really close. We're really close to. I'm sorry, you guys. I just lost my chain of thought for a second. We're really close to the end of the week. Okay. We want to be careful, and we want to definitely sort of just be mindful and take it easy in these markets. Okay. If you've made your profits, you've made your profits, and if you haven't, it's all good. There's always going to be another week. There's going to be another setup, and there's always going to be more pips to catch in these markets. You don't want to fall for these dirty traps. You don't want to fall for anything of this sort in these markets. Okay, guys? Listen. If the buys want to kick in, I'm straight up telling you guys, just stay out of it. If the sells want to come in, I would say stay out of it as well. But again, if you guys are itching, get in, get out, do what you have to over here. But just don't. Just don't. It's not going to be worth it, all right, today. And trust me when I say that. Okay, you guys, have a great rest. Well, not rest. Have a great weekend. We're just stepping into it. I wish I could say the same thing about myself. I have an extremely busy weekend ahead of me, flooded with one-on-ones and just no time to rest, really. Okay, so I'm looking forward to it, I guess. But we're gonna have an intense week next week. We have lots of red folders that are going to be opening up, lots of news that's going to be opening up. So make sure you guys join in. Make sure you guys are using the right risk management, and we're going to have a banger of a week next week. Okay, it's not going to be like this one, I promise. And make sure this converts into success stories, you guys. We've gotten out mid-work, and we're here for you guys. Even in freaking choppy ass markets, I still sat live for you guys for an hour and 15 without taking a single trade, right? So let's convert these into success stories and some Twitter posts, and Cash and I, we'd really appreciate that from you guys. Okay, make sure to get that going, and have a great weekend. Stay away from the markets. Don't be stressing. Just take it easy, chill out, and everyone, for the guys on the and girls on the weekend coast, the express package, y'all know who y'all are. Please message Cash and let her know if you want to have your session this week or not, because I will then book you guys up and plan the weekend accordingly. Okay, so y'all know who y'all are. There should be about, I think, 8 to 10 of you guys, 10 of y'all. So if y'all are all on this call, please message Cash. Let her know if you want to do your session this week or next week. Okay, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate y'all. Have a great weekend. I will catch you guys on Monday for a banger. I'm gonna be looking forward to those success stories. Keep them coming. Okay, thank you guys so much. And we've just learned from these markets. Okay, remember, stop chasing money, start chasing the art of trading, and everything else is going to follow. All right, guys, I'll keep you guys updated on this. In case it happens, I will get alerted, so I'll definitely I'll tag verified, and I'll let you guys know. And y'all will know in case the sales are going to be kicking in. All right, so thank y'all so much. I really appreciate y'all. Have a good one, you guys. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading Fam. Signing out. Take care, you guys. Bye. Have a great weekend.